Hello everyone, this is Favor and you're welcome to Discovering Words with Favor, where I share the little I know about the English language with you. Now today, we're going to be learning about the verb live, together with some prepositions such as in, on, at, and by. Live in, live on, live at, and live by. We're going to be learning their meaning and how we use them. Okay, let's get right into it. Now, we're going to start with live at. Live at is used when you're referring to a specific location or address. You're using a pin to point at a specific part of the map. You use it to specify a particular location, as in, she lives at number 7 Johnson Street. She lives at number 6 Johnson Estate. So, you use live at when you're referring to a specific location. Now, you use live in when you're being broader. Say you're referring to a city, a town. She lives in Lagos. She lives in Abuja. Take note that this is not specific. You're being broad. You're not focusing on the exact location in Lagos that the person lives, but instead in the city generally. She lives in Lagos at number 7 Okoko, or at number 7 Johnson Estate. So yes, that is that about live in. Alright, so we use live on to refer to food, support, or some sort of income that a person depends on for survival. Say, for instance, he lives on vegetables and fruits. This means that the person eats mainly vegetables and fruits. She lives on monthly donations from the church. They live on a small salary. It means that this is what the person depends on. And then when we speak about live by, this is used to describe the source of income, what a person uses to earn a living. She lives by making dresses. He lives by farming. They live by working as carpenters. This refers to a person's means of income or means of earning a living. So yes, we have it. Live in, live at, live by, and live on. So in summary, we have the phrasal verbs live in, live on, live at, and live by. Live in and live at describes locations or place, while one is broad, the other is specific. Live at is specific. Live in is broad. So live on and live by refer to sources of income. When you live on something, it means that is what you depend on for survival. Live by means that this is your method, this is the skill or the work you use to earn a living. Yep, so we have that. Now that we know this, I hope that you're more intentional about using these phrasal verbs. Use them correctly and ensure that your grammatical expressions flow smoothly and neatly. Until next time, don't forget that the day you stop learning is the day that you stop living. Bye for now.